So as you can see, this is a template. So let's go through the templates. You can see this is the investment plans, referral commission, the statistics, then the footer. So this is a simple GC Hype template. So let's try to log in. GC Hype. So let's so so this is the dashboard for this particular template. So once you install your script, then install this template. So we have many more designs. So you can see. So let's make invest or make a deposit. And see, select your plan and select amount $50. Then click on spend, choose it. So this is for a demo purpose. So you can see, put in your transaction ID. So see the wallet information here. You can edit that to your own wallet from the admin section. Then save. Okay. Let's go back. Go back. So we can see my account. So look at it. Very simple.